The pilotless commute isn't coming. It's already cleared for takeoff. No steering wheels, no pilots, and no more gridlock. We are witnessing the death of the two-dimensional commute. While the world watched CGI renders, the EH216-S became the world's first autonomous passenger eVTOL to receive full-type certification from China's Civil Aviation Administration. This 620 kilograms masterpiece of carbon fiber and 16-rotor redundancy turns a 40-minute city crawl into a 5-minute flight for a price tag of 2.39 million yuan today. We break down the terrifyingly brilliant technology that allows this fully autonomous aerial vehicle to fly itself while the ground stays frozen in gridlock. The wait for the future is over. It's time to ascend. Subscribe. Your support helps us produce more high-quality content. Number 1. Origin and Global Headquarters. The EH216-S is a pinnacle of Chinese aerospace engineering, designed and mass-produced by EHang Holdings Limited, a company that has fundamentally shifted the trajectory of urban transportation. Headquartered in the Huangpu district of Guangzhou within the Greater Bay Area, EHang has leveraged China's premier electronics and manufacturing supply chain to move from a 2014 startup to a NASDAQ-listed global leader. By 2026, their operational footprint has expanded into a massive 24,000 square meter smart facility in Yunfu, which serves as the world's first large-scale production line dedicated specifically to autonomous eVTOLs. This facility utilizes robotic precision to assemble carbon fiber airframes and high-density battery arrays, ensuring that every unit meets rigorous aerospace standards. Beyond manufacturing, the Guangzhou headquarters houses the Global Flight Command and Control Center, a high-tech nerve center that utilizes 5G advanced networks to monitor the telemetry, battery health, and flight paths of EHang aircraft operating across Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. This infrastructure proves that EHang is not just selling an aircraft, but a complete integrated ecosystem for the low-altitude economy. Hit the subscribe button and motivate us to bring you even better quality content. Number 2. The historical Triple Crown of Aviation. The EH216-S distinguishes itself from all global competitors through its unprecedented legal status, having secured what the industry calls the Triple Crown of Aviation certification. In a series of historical milestones overseen by the Civil Aviation Administration of China, CAAC, the aircraft first received its type certificate, EH216-S, validating that its design meets all safety and performance requirements for passenger flight. This was followed by the production certificate, PSE, which authorizes EHang to mass-produce the aircraft under a strictly controlled quality management system. The final piece was the Standard Airworthiness Certificate, AC, allowing individual EH216-S units to engage in commercial operations. By early 2026, EHang has further extended this lead by China has authorized limited commercial trial operations for pilotless passenger transport in cities such as Hefei and Shenzhen. While Western developers remain largely in the experimental testing phase under FAA or EASA regulations, EHang's certification success has allowed it to log over 50,000 successful commercial-grade flight tests, effectively making China the primary architect of the world's first legal framework for autonomous flight. If you appreciate our efforts, reward us with a subscription. Number 3. Revolutionary 16-rotor redundancy. The defining specialty of the EH216-S is its revolutionary coaxial 16-rotor propulsion architecture, a design that fundamentally solves the single point of failure problem found in traditional helicopters. By utilizing 8 foldable arms, each equipped with 2 high-torque electric motors, and independent propellers, one facing upward and one downward, the craft creates a distributed lift system that ensures maximum stability. This engineering choice is governed by a tri-redundant flight control system that monitors the performance of every motor in real time. Should any motor or blade fail mid-flight, the system instantly recalibrates the power of the remaining 15 units within milliseconds to maintain a stable hover. In 2026, this full redundancy philosophy has been pushed even further, with the aircraft now capable of landing safely even after losing multiple rotors on the same side. This eliminates the catastrophic risks associated with mechanical tail rotor failures or engine stalls in single-engine aircraft, providing passengers with a level of psychological and mechanical security that was previously impossible in vertical flight. By shifting from a mechanical gearbox to a purely digital multi-motor propulsion system, EHang has set the gold standard for safety in the global low-altitude economy. Number 4. Advanced manufacturing and material science. The structural integrity of the EH216-S is a testament to 21st century material science, featuring a fuselage constructed almost entirely from aerospace-grade carbon fiber composites and high-strength epoxy resin. Manufacturing takes place in EHang's high-precision automated assembly lines in Yunfu and Beijing, where robotic arms precisely layer carbon sheets to ensure zero structural defects. This material choice is not just about strength. It is a critical energy-saving strategy, as the lightweight shell allows the craft to maintain a nimble maximum takeoff weight while carrying 2 full-sized passengers. Every kilogram saved through the use of carbon fiber directly translates into extended battery life and increased flight range, which is vital for the electric nature of the propulsion system. In 2026, the fuselage has been further refined with an electromagnetic shielding layer that protects the sensitive 5G advanced and GNSS sensors from the electronic noise of modern megacities. The result is a craft that is as light as a breeze, yet strong enough to withstand high-velocity wind shear and the rigors of daily commercial operations. By mastering the alchemy of carbon fiber and automated mass production, EHang is now successfully scaling its output to meet the massive multi-billion-dollar orders flowing in from global urban centers. Number 5. The Pilotless brain and 5G navigation. The EH216-S is a true autonomous aerial vehicle, AAV, entirely removing the human pilot to eliminate the risk of operational error. Inside the cabin, you won't find a steering wheel, pedals, or complex dashboards. Instead, the interior is a minimalist luxury space centered around a 12-inch interactive tablet where passengers simply select their destination. The aircraft's brain is a sophisticated onboard flight computer that utilizes multi-GNSS satellite positioning and real-time data fusion to navigate virtual sky highways. In 2026, this system has been upgraded to utilize 5G Advanced, 5GA connectivity, allowing for ultra-low latency communication with ground-based command and control centers. These centers act as a digital tower, managing entire fleets simultaneously by optimizing flight paths to avoid skyscrapers, birds, and other air traffic. If any anomaly is detected, the command center can remotely intervene, or the aircraft's fail-safe logic will automatically execute a landing at the nearest vertiport. This seamless integration of AI and high-speed networking transforms the sky into a managed, predictable environment where the passenger is free to enjoy the view while the machine handles the complexities of flight. Number 6. Technical performance and power specs. Engineered for the high-frequency demands of the vertical commute, the EH216-S is powered by a high-energy density battery system that has seen massive leaps in efficiency by early 2026. While the standard liquid lithium configuration offers a range of 35 kilometers, 22 miles, and a flight time of roughly 25 minutes, the aircraft currently uses high-energy density lithium battery systems, while future battery upgrades under development aim to extend endurance further. The craft reaches a top design speed of 130 kilometers per hour, specifically optimized for vertiport-to-vertiport hops that bypass ground-level gridlock, turning a 45-minute traffic jam into a 5-minute aerial transit. To maximize fleet uptime, EHang utilizes ultra-fast charging, UFC stations that can replenish the battery from 30% to 80% in as little as 5 to 10 minutes. This allows for a charge-and-go operational model where the aircraft spends its day in the air rather than sitting at a plug. By balancing high discharge power for vertical takeoff with extreme fast charging capabilities, EHang has created a vehicle that isn't just a prototype, but a commercially viable solution for the high-density urban centers of the modern world. Number 7. Commercial pricing and global market status. The EH216-S is no longer a concept but a commercially active asset, with an official retail price of 2.39 million yuan, approximately $330,000 for the domestic Chinese market, and a global price of $410,000. As of 2026, EHang is delivering units in bulk to support the burgeoning low-altitude economy, with massive orders confirmed for the Zhejiangwing eVTOL Center in Wencheng and the Luogang Park Demonstration Zone in Hefei. These locations serve as blueprints for the world, using the aircraft for regular aerial tourism and intra-city shuttles. Internationally, EHang's footprint has matured into a sophisticated network spanning the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Spain, and Japan. In Abu Dhabi and Dubai, the craft is being integrated into smart city transportation as a premium airport shuttle, while in Spain, it has pioneered the first multi-point urban flights in Europe. By 2026, EHang has successfully transitioned from a hardware manufacturer to a platform-as-a-service provider, delivering the command and control infrastructure necessary for international cities to manage their own autonomous fleets. Number 8. Multi-scenario use cases in 2026. Beyond its famous role as an air taxi, the EH216-S has evolved into a versatile industrial platform with specialized variants for 2026's most demanding tasks. The EH216-F firefighting model is now a critical tool for urban emergency services, specifically designed for high-rise firefighting, where ground-based ladders cannot reach. It is equipped with a high-pressure foam cannon and fire-extinguishing bombs that can break windows to deploy dry powder into the heart of a blaze. Simultaneously, the EH216-L logistics model has revolutionized heavy lift transport, capable of carrying a 250-kilogram payload to remote mountainous regions or offshore platforms. Whether it is performing record-breaking light shows at the Spring Festival Gala with a fleet of 16 coordinated units, or delivering life-saving medical supplies in rural areas, the EH216 series proves that EHang's invention is about more than just moving people. It is about mastering the three-dimensional space of the modern world to redefine logistics, safety, and public service. As we stand at the edge of this new horizon, it's clear that the EHang EH216-S is more than just a breakthrough in aerospace engineering. It is the definitive catalyst for a fundamental shift in the human experience. We are moving beyond the limitations of asphalt and concrete, trading the frustration of the gridlock for the boundless freedom of the open sky. What was once a fever dream of science fiction is now a certified carbon fiber reality humming with precision above the streets of Guangzhou and Hefei. The low-altitude economy isn't just a market forecast, it is a national mission. It is the sound of 16 rotors redefining the morning commute, the sight of a pilotless guardian protecting our high-rise skylines, and the pulse of a nation that refuses to be slowed down by two dimensions. The infrastructure is built, the historic certifications are signed, and the virtual highways are open. We have spent a century looking up at the clouds and wondering, what if? Now we simply step inside, select a destination, and ascend. The age of the vertical commute has arrived, and for those ready to lead the way, the sky is no longer a limit. It is the ultimate shortcut. Welcome to the future. The era of flight is finally here.